Let's see how Claude Code does with the same task of building out a product design portfolio site. Quick disclaimer, this is for demo purposes only, and I'm not telling you to go out and totally rip off someone's design, okay? Okay, you can see I have a similar setup this time. I have a folder with just the sample screenshot, and I'm going to be using the Claude Code for VS Code extension. I already have it installed, so I'll go ahead and pop open the extension and give it a similar prompt to what I gave Gemini CLI. So let's go ahead and ask it to create a website for my product design work that looks like this, and I'll mention the sample file. Oh, I see I have to sign into my Cloud subscription, so I'll quickly go ahead and do that, and then I have to run the prompt again. Okay, great. So now it's off and running, generating the site. I sped up this part a bit, but you can see that there are a couple of things that I need to approve. And I'll show you how you can make this happen less frequently in the settings at the end. I just forgot to do it up front. Okay, it looks like my site is ready. That was pretty quick. I just have to run my local dev server in terminal manually to test it. This is similar to what I had to do in my last video. And once I get that running, now I can see that the site is running locally and I can pop it open in the browser to see how it looks. Wow, this looks pretty good, but I'm going to go back and refine it a bit. I'm going to ask Claude Code to take another look at the sample and to use placeholder images. And in just a few seconds, I can check that server again. And this looks great. This looks really close to the original sample. So as I mentioned, you can go into the extension settings and actually allow it to skip a bunch of those permissions. So I'll go ahead and check that. But I do think you need to restart VS Code in order for this to take effect. Now I'm going to have it help me get up and running on GitHub. So I'm going to just ask it to go ahead and commit and push this to a repo that I created for this project. Now that that's complete, I'm going to pop open GitHub and you can see the repo is empty here. But when I refresh, now all of my code is there. Okay, we've seen two examples of creating a basic site, which is actually pretty easy for these tools now. But be sure to check out my next video where I'll walk through how you can use them to create more complex working apps and agents.